Hi guys, you guys are welcome to a wonderful video today. So today I want to show you guys something different. You can see it in just back of me right now, and that is in front of my screen and back of me. So that is FTX. So I want to show you guys how you can trade using FTX. So but majorly this is like a introduction into FTX, so you can see this and that and this and how it works. So I'm going to take you guys down to my screen and share my screen with you guys so you guys can see how it works. Make sure you like and subscribe this video. You will love it. Thank you. So guys, when you log in, this is what you see entirely. This is this is the interface. So first of all, one thing you need to know is that you see all this stuff up here, they are less important because you can find them here. So but I'm not going to click on this place right now. So but all these are, like you see, this is Serum, this is Bitcoin, this is ETH and all of that. Okay, so and right here, this is spots. If you want to trade spots, spots pairs, if you want to trade future pairs, if you want to trade stock pairs. So futures of course are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, whatever you have there. They call them futures because of course they're the future of money. Why when it comes to sports, you can see when we click on sport, sport is just like future, but it is being backed up with something else. So like ETH USDT, um, um, Bitcoin USDT, FTT USD, stuff like that. So it's quite different. Also, you can trade stock, which you're going to see stuff like GameStop, Tesla, Microsoft, and all of that. And also, there's leverage tokens and quality and all that. So, but all these things are not going to be needed. I just want to show you guys how you can easily go straight up to you starting out to trade with your FTX account. So first thing you want to do is verify yourself. You need to verify who you are, so you can do that. So mine is already verified. So but if yours is not verified, you can easily see the pop-up verification button. But I'm going to show you guys where you can see it in case it didn't really pop up. So right now you click to this spot and click wallet, so you can see your identity right here. You can click to wallet. One lovely thing about FTX is that you don't actually need your valid ID. You don't need your driver's license, your international passport, or whatever it is to actually going, because this is world of crypto. Everybody has to be anonymous, right? So that's one lovely advantage about it. So you can trade. That's the reason why it is not regulated in America. It is FXT is actually registered in Bermuda Islands, and also it has headquarters in Hong Kong. All right, so now you just clicked your profile. All right, you just clicked wallet. So currently this is my wallet, it's empty. I have to withdraw, so I can show you guys how you can withdraw and also how you can buy. So I'm going to show you guys on another video how you can withdraw and how you can deposit, I mean to say. So now if you come down here, you can see a lot of stuff you can actually fund your account with. All right, so you can see mine right here. It says mine is under USD stablecoin. So under USD stablecoin, there's BUSD, there is USD coin, there is USDT, of course. So we all know USDT. There's BUSD, that's Binance USD, and also we have the USDC, which is the USD coin. All right, so and after, you can easily click on deposit right here. So if you have not updated your account, if you've not verified your account, I mean to say, there's going to be a verification button right here where you can click on verification. Then you do your two-factor authenticator, and you also put in your password, very important. And after that you can do that. So now you can see this is where you can withdraw and deposit, but I'm not going to show you guys that. I just want to show you guys where you can see all this stuff. So if for example you want to deposit in Bitcoin, this is where you can do it. So but I would advise you use BUSD at the moment, because it comes with cheap fees. So this video I'm making is time sensitive. At the moment I make this video was the 3rd of March 2021. All right, now so to trade, guys, to see your chart and to see what's going on, you have to come to this place here, this menu, and you have to click on it. So once you click on it, what's going to happen next is you see a whole lot of stuff you can trade right now at the moment. All right, so you can see the volume, you can see price change, you can see what's going on right there. So now you can see this is the market, this is futures. All right, so now futures is BTC PERP, which I call PEP. Ethereum Pep, BNB Pep, Link Pep, blah 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 blah. A lot of them. Well, if you click on spots, you can see BTC USDT, which is almost the same, like I said before, guys, but just a little bit different price changes. All right, so right now I'm just going to click on, let's say, BNB. All right, let's say we want to trade BNB. So I'm just going to click on BNB, and now the BNB chart opens. All right, so the BNB chart opens. Now you can see all this stuff on your interface. So it looks like the normal, like I said, it looks like the normal of your forex broker chart, or looks like of course, like Binance. So but there are little differences. So this is order book, and this is market rates. These are current price report. These are current price report trading right now. This is current price of the market right now. This is your order book, your where you put, yeah, like your order, where you say buy or sell. So you can see buy BNB Pep, and you can see sell BNB Pep. All right. So also this is your leverage. You can shift your leverage as you want to. All right. So you can keep it as 10x. You can keep it as 20x. But I love to keep it at 20x. And if you scroll up, then this is some few information you can get to. But right now, this is your total collateral. That's how much you have. The free collateral, that means if you're making money, it increases. If you're losing money, it decreases. Your leverage, which is 0x. So, but once I place a trade, it's going to change to 10x very soon. So, maintenance margin requirement, 3% of whatever I made will be taken. And yeah, we are right now, guys. So right now, looking at the chart, so guys, you can see this is BEP Pep, 5 minutes, just like I said, just like normal forex. So this is it. So now once I give you signals, what you just have to do is come down here. All right, set your leverage. Maybe keep it at 20 or at 10, depends. Scroll down here. So now, is it limit order or is it market order? So this is market order. So market order is an instant order. That means once you click on buy, okay, right now it's saying deposit collateral, because of course I don't have anything right here. So, but I'm going to make more videos, so make sure you subscribe and see how I do everything, and watch other videos relating to FTX. So, if I have some money, then it's going to indicate buy right here. So, but now, if it's on limit order, that means I'm going to put the price at which I want it to buy. So right now, if I want it to buy, my limit order is going to be at the top of this point right here, maybe 50, okay, 253,850. So once price gets to that point, it opens my limit order and goes up, I'll be in profit. So, and at the same time, if I want an instant market order, that means that point, I'm just going to click on market order. So for my limit order, this is where I'm going to set the price. All right, this place I'm going to set the price right here. So but right here, I'm just going to click on market order, then I can do it. So now this is for buy, all right? So the same thing applies to if you want to sell, okay? So same thing applies to if you want to sell. So quickly, this is all you need to know. Then once you make money from here, that means when price of Bitcoin is going up, we can make money, and when it's coming down, we can sell. So, but note, using this method is highly risky. So, but I'm going to advise you on risk management. So, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see how you can reduce your risk and actually make a lot of profit and few losses. So that's the goal. All right, now, all right, guys. So, if there's anything I've not mentioned in this video, I'm going to mention them in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Love you all. Bye.